A self-lender application can be denied because of eligibility requirements, verification problems, incomplete information or details that do not meet the company's approval criteria. By the end, you'll know why a self-lender application may be denied and what steps you can take before applying again. The first thing to do after a denial is review the reason provided. A denial notice or message can help identify whether the issue came from your application details, verification process, or eligibility. Do not immediately submit another application without checking what caused the denial. Reapplying with the same information may not solve the problem. Start by reviewing your application details. Check that your personal information, contact details, and any required financial information are accurate. Even a small mistake can create problems during the review process. Next, check your identity verification information. Financial services often require companies to confirm personal details before approving an account. If the information cannot be verified, the application may not move forward. If your application was denied because you did not meet certain requirements, review self-lender's current eligibility information before applying again. Understanding the requirements helps you decide whether the product matches your situation. You should also check for any follow-up messages connected to your application. These messages may explain what information is missing or what needs to be corrected. If you believe the denial happened because of incorrect information, update those details before submitting another application. Make sure your next application is complete and that all information matches your records. If the reason for denial is unclear, contact self-lender support for more information. Provide the application details and any denial message you received so the issue can be reviewed more efficiently. The best approach is to fix the specific problem instead of repeatedly applying. A corrected application gives the review process more accurate information. Before trying again, use this checklist. Confirm your personal details, complete any required verification, review the eligibility requirements, and check for messages about your application status. To summarize, a self-lender application may be denied because of incorrect information, verification issues, or eligibility requirements. Find the reason for the denial, correct any problems, and review the requirements before applying again. Your next step is to check the denial explanation and fix the exact issue connected to your application. If this guide helped you understand how to handle a denied application, like the video and subscribe for more simple explanations about financial products and credit tools.